Today we're talking about the top 4 best Audi models that truly stood out and made an impact in the automotive world. These cars combine luxury, performance, technology, and true German engineering excellence. 4. Audi A6. The A6 is a symbol of the practical luxury sedan. It combines comfort, strong performance, and elegant design. The A6 is perfect for long trips, offering powerful engine options and impressive efficiency. Whether for daily driving or highway cruising, it delivers a smooth and refined experience. 3. Audi A5. Super stylish. The A5 stands out for its beautiful design and perfect balance between luxury and sportiness. It's a sporty yet elegant car, with a premium interior and powerful engine options that make every drive exciting. 2. Audi RS4. For those who love high performance within a luxury package, the RS4 is the high-performance version of the A4, featuring a powerful engine and Audi's famous Quattro all-wheel drive system. It delivers a race car feel while still being practical for everyday use. 1. Place, Audi e-tron GT. Here we finish with the ultimate combination of technology, performance, and electric luxury. The e-tron GT is a high-end electric vehicle with an aggressive design and over 600 horsepower in its performance versions. It offers rapid acceleration and an incredibly smooth, premium driving experience. This model proves that the future of performance can be both electric and exciting. These 4 models represent Audi's diversity. From daily luxury to sporty performance to advanced electric technology, now it's your turn. If you had to choose one, would you pick luxury, performance, or electric innovation?